Hey guys, switched out my frames and I got a couple new parts. So yeah, this is my bike check. Animal metal barns, animal Edwin grips in black. Try to make them last. Copper TTXL bars. I really recommend them. They're awesome. S&M Redneck XLT stem. I highly recommend these two. This too. Now going down to the forks. Colt Sec forks. Kind of look like the shivs, but they're not. Alright. Got a Fit FAF tire 2.10. Got a Eastern front wheel. I don't really like Eastern, but my other ones are bent shit, so I'm not going to use them. I got a Fit Edwin De La Rosa signature frame with a animal headset, slammed, no spacers. Going down to the cranks and pedals, got Verde cranks. They last me a really long time, dude. They're awesome. Dual pedals. They're pretty good, but they kind of suck cock at the same time, so do whatever you want. If you want to buy them, you can. But, yeah. Okay, now I got a Fit download sprocket, 23 tooth, a KMC chain. Don't really care what kind of chain it is, but getting a new chain soon because this chain's stretched really bad. Alright, Fit bottom bracket. Doubt you can see it, but it says Fit. A Eastern back wheel with Eastern with a Odyssey Aiken 1.95 tire. See, and a Colony seat with a animal wedge post. Pretty sure that's it. I run like thorn resistant tubes, and yeah. Oh, and here's a hub sound if you want to. Alright, comment, rate, subscribe, tell me what you think of my bike. If you think it's shitty, I don't really care, but just tell me what you think. Alright, later.